Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to share the best recipe for paneer tikka biryani, and this is protein and nutrient rich and very tasty and spicy. The best part of this recipe is it is a one pot method, and that too we are going to do in an instant pot. It is very quick and easy to make, and this will be the best option when you don't have enough time to cook curries. Moreover, as we are using instant pot, it is much more comfortable to prepare nutrient diet. If anyone wants to buy instant pot, please check the link below in the description box to get in best deals. Now without wasting time, let's get into the recipe and see how to make this protein and nutrient rich tasty spicy paneer tikka biryani. To start with our recipe, take a mixing bowl and add half cup of yogurt or curd. Now add salt as per taste, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder and 1/4 teaspoon of cumin powder. Now mix all the ingredients so that all the spices gets mixed up with this yogurt. After mixing up all the spices in this yogurt, now take paneer. Here I took 250 grams of paneer and diced into big cubes, green bell pepper and red bell pepper and onions. Make sure to cut all the vegetables into big cubes like this. Now transfer this paneer and this bell pepper and onion to the curd that is mixed with the spices, and marinate all the pieces and allow them to rest for 15 minutes. Here you can see this paneer and vegetables are well marinated, so rest for 15 minutes. Meanwhile, on the instant pot and select saute mode. Now add 4 tablespoons of oil to this instant pot inner pot and add 2 sticks of cinnamon, 3 ilachi or cardamom, 5 to 6 cloves, 1 tablespoon of shajira, and 2 bay leaves. Once the whole spices are fried, now add 1 cup of onion that is chopped into small pieces and 3 green chili. Now saute this onion and green chili until the onion becomes translucent. Once the onion is fried well, now add 1 tomato that is chopped into small pieces, half a cup of chopped carrots and half a cup of sliced beans. Here I also added 1 medium sized potato that is peeled and sliced, but that video clipping was missing. So now saute all the vegetables and allow them to fry. Once the vegetables are fried well for a minute, now add handful of chopped mint and handful of chopped cilantro. To this add 1 spoon of ginger garlic paste, salt as per taste, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of chili powder, 1 spoon of garam masala powder, and mix all the spices along with the vegetables and saute. Keep sauteing continuously and allow these vegetables to cook for a minute. After a minute, now add half a cup of yogurt or curd. Now give a good mix so that this yogurt or curd combines well with all the vegetables, and here you can see this is semi-liquid. So now allow this to cook until this becomes very thick and it leaves the oil out. Meanwhile, while this is being cooked, now let's move on and make this paneer tikka. To make this, heat the pan and add 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil and spread the oil. Once the oil is also well heated, now transfer this paneer cubes and the vegetable cubes. Make sure to place each piece separately like this so that they do not overlap and each piece is well cooked and fried. After transferring all the marinated pieces to tawa, allow them to cook for a minute and flip to the other side and allow them to cook on the other side also. Here you can see they are well fried. Now slowly flip all the pieces to the other side and allow them to cook on the other side also. We can also grill these marinated pieces, but today here I am showing this on tawa to make the process much easier. Here you can see all the pieces are well fried. So now switch off the flame and transfer to a separate plate and keep aside. Meanwhile, here our vegetables are well cooked along with yogurt, and the semi-thick gravy also became very thick, and here you can see this oil is oozing out. So now this is ready. Now add 4 cups of water to this gravy, because I measured 2 cups of rice and soaked for 10 minutes. So for 2 cups of rice, add 4 cups of water. Now give it a good mix so that the water mixes along with this gravy. And now transfer the soaked rice to this water. After adding the entire soaked rice, give it a good stir and add cilantro and our paneer that is fried well on tawa along with the vegetables. Here I am transferring all this fried paneer to this rice and give it a good stir. At this point we need to check the salt levels. If salt is less, you need to adjust the salt and squeeze half a lemon. This lemon gives the extra flavor and taste to our paneer tikka biryani. After squeezing lemon, give it a good mix so that everything gets mixed up well. Now the entire process in saute mode is complete, so cancel the saute mode and on the pressure cook mode. Now I am setting this pressure cook mode for 5 minutes in low pressure. So in 5 minutes this biryani will be cooked well. After 5 minutes and once the vent is released, unlock the lid and here our paneer tikka biryani is ready. With this, our protein and nutrient rich, very tasty spicy paneer tikka biryani is ready in instant pot. So friends, try making this healthy, easy and simple paneer tikka biryani and do comment how you liked about it. If you like my recipe, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more healthy and interesting recipes. This is Rupa signing off for today and see you in the next video. Thank you.